Okay, so I'm not really doing a fancy intro for this because I'm in a mad rush. It's been a panic, it's been a lot of stress, especially trying to get this machine ready for this event in particular. But here we are, well, Extreme Robots Manchester, Tango's first event, which will be interesting because I've recently made the decision to convert it into a rammer when it was initially going to have a lifter, and there's just been a few last minute decisions as well as along that I don't really have the energy to do an intro at the moment because I've been rushing around a lot, running around, getting Tango ready for its first fight. So we got TR3 as my tag partner, believe it or not, versus what was initially supposed to be Harpy and Ace, but then Harpy has been, I think, pulled out of that one and put into a fight beforehand. So it will be me versus Ripper and Ace. Well, me versus me and TR3 versus Ripper and Ace, which will be interesting. But let's do this.
You nervous?
I've not tested it at all. This will be its first ever proper run.
You'll be fine, buddy. You'll do just fine. You say good luck. It's gonna need that.
You got one. Thank you.
Excuse me then. Sorry. Right. Whoops.
And the UK champion of level and heavyweight division was also the grand finals from Robocalls. What in the last? There we go. Also Team Ripper all the way! Wow! Team Ripper all the way!
Yeah, Ripper! Yeah, Ripper!
Are you ready? Yeah! Team Electron! Team Panoramic! Are you ready?
go how I wanted it to very well. When I took it out of the arena, I took the top off, touched the battery, it was quite warm, and I've had to put it in a fridge. It's the only way I can really get it cooled down. Other than the battery, I don't really know what else could have caused it to go wrong. I am giving it a cool down in the fridge, gonna give it another charge, and try and at least get it tested. So the chargers, for some stupid reason, I do not know why, kept cutting out, wouldn't let me top up the batteries properly, and just caused all that to happen. So I'm gonna give it another go and just see what happens. Okay, something I didn't mention back there was I did actually put Tango in for a whiteboard fight for the 4 PM show. Unsure if it will be spinner or non-spinner. Unsure if it will be spinner or non-spinner. If it is spinners, then I'm just not going to be in the mood to put it in. Okay, turns out the whiteboard is a spinner, and I've been put into another tag team. Unfortunately, this time TR3 has abandoned me, and this time I have been put with Ace, which means TR3 have been put with Harpy as their partner. What fun. Okay, so the battery I'm temporarily using has finished charging. Now to get it in the machine and get it to the arena. I think that should be fine. Sure.
You actually
That's okay.
successfully sparred with a former UK champion there. Not bad for a day's work, is it?
Right, I'm not bothered about any self-filming for this, but absolutely buzzing after that fight. So nothing really that major, only just minor stuff. The front vinyl is a bit more scratched and got quite a nice marking there. A bolt has gone missing. Don't know if you'll be able to see it, but part of the plate at the front is a little bit bent. I'll probably get that hammered down. The wheels come a bit loose. I haven't got locking nuts on these, so after this event might get hold of some, get these nuts out, get some locking ones in, but I'll get these tightened and see if I can have another fight tomorrow.
Who knows how long the intro was?
Yeah, not about 3 or 2 minutes long. Okay, so after that fight, this was the aftermath of the batteries. They got hot to the point where it ended up melting the heat shrinkage on the outside and even melted some of the individual cell wrapping. So I didn't really want to risk it and did not use that pack again. So what I did for this next battle was, well, I was kindly lent some life packs from Michael at Team Kaizen to put in Tango, stuck it in the arena, and fair to say, it performs a lot better in this fight. Okay, so during the event I didn't really have the time to document what was going on, so I'm just going to end this video off with this. Tango didn't really perform how it could or should have done, and it could mainly be down to the nickel metal hydride packs, which I'm never using in that machine again. I've got some life packs coming along the way, which should arrive hopefully later today at the time this is being filmed, or maybe tomorrow. So the next event for Tango will be Burgess Hill this weekend. Hopefully the batteries will arrive in time for that. It's pretty much good to go. Nothing needs repairing really, other than just the wheels need different nuts on there. They just need locking nuts because the ones that are currently on there that came with the motor kept slipping. Other than that, I don't really think there's really anything else to cover, other than thank you, Michael from Team Kaizen, for lending me the life packs in the last fight. So let's do this. Let's just get it ready for Burgess Hill.